Now from your Launchpad, only some of the integrations show up. So let's go to where all of your integrations are available. So on the left-hand side going down, you want to go all the way down to Settings. And then you want to look for the one that says Integrations. And it's about 3/4 of the way down. So from here, everything that you can integrate within GoHighLevel is found on this page. And if you want to adjust or change any settings, you would come back to this page, not the Launchpad, to do that. So we can look here. We've got Google Calendar, which I have integrated. Now, all of these work the same. They ask you to log into whatever platform that you are using. And then if you have more than one page or more than one option, depending on what it is, it'll ask you to select which one you want for this account. So keeping that in mind, we've got the Google Business Profile right here. This one is super important to connect, so be sure that you do that. Here is Facebook and Instagram. If you are billing through QuickBooks or invoicing or managing anything on QuickBooks, this will integrate to QuickBooks Online, and it will automatically pull over every one of your customers. And as you add a new customer, it will automatically pull them over into your contacts. So that's super helpful if you are a QuickBooks user. Some of these, I don't know what they are. Wave, it's not a program I use, but if you do, you can go ahead and connect it here. Now, this one says Stripe, but let me tell you, it's a little confusing. If you go into Continue on this particular one, it will actually show you all of the payment integrations for HighLevel. I'm connected to something called NMI, which, by the way, is significantly cheaper than any of these other providers. So if you want a connection to that, get a hold of me on that. Here is Stripe and PayPal. Authorize.net if you're using your own processor somewhere. Most of them have an Authorize.net gateway, so you can integrate whatever you're currently using through Authorize.net. And then Square. I've actually never clicked search for more, but if you don't see what you have here, click and see what it does. So it looks like we've also got some of these that I've never heard of. Here's an Easy Pay. Anyway, all of these are all of the different payment processors that you can connect to your GoHighLevel account so that you can accept payments, sell products, sell memberships, sell subscriptions, all of that. Let's go back to our integrations. And occasionally, GoHighLevel will take you somewhere when you're clicking that isn't, you can't just go back. So you have to start over. But now that we're back here on our integrations, you can connect Shopify if you're using that. Here's TikTok, LinkedIn. Here's Slack, WooCommerce. If you're using WooCommerce on a WordPress website, you can connect that here. Here's a Shippo connection. So anything that you can integrate into GoHighLevel is found on this page. So in our next video, we're going to go over your business settings.